Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Health Beam. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of natural wellness enthusiasts. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're diving into the incredible world of cloves and their amazing benefits when infused in water. Cloves. These tiny spice powerhouses are not just for culinary delights. They're packed with health benefits that can transform your well-being. From improving digestion to boosting skin health, cloves in water, or as we like to call it, clove water is a simple yet potent remedy. But that's not all. Today, I'll also show you how to easily prepare clove water right in your kitchen. It's quick, it's easy, and the benefits are just too good to miss. Let's get started. To prepare clove water, start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pot. Once boiling, add 1 tablespoon of whole cloves and reduce the heat to let the mixture simmer for 10-15 minutes, allowing the cloves to infuse their nutrients into the water. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the clove water cool down to a comfortable temperature. Strain the mixture, using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove the cloves. If not consuming immediately, store the strained clove water in a glass jar or bottle in the refrigerator, ideally consuming it within a day or two. Clove water can be enjoyed warm or cold. And for added flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. Remember to start with a small amount to gauge your body's reaction and consult a healthcare provider if you have health concerns or are pregnant. Remember, the information provided is for educational purposes and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. Now let's jump straight into the various benefits of clove water. 1. Improves digestion. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes aid in the efficient breakdown of food, enhancing nutrient absorption and promoting a healthy digestive system. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, plays a significant role in digestive health by stimulating the production of key digestive enzymes, including proteases, lipases, and amylases. This stimulation enhances the breakdown of complex food molecules, facilitating efficient nutrient absorption in the digestive tract. Additionally, its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties aid in maintaining a balanced gut flora and a healthy gastrointestinal lining, further promoting digestive health. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol exhibits significant anti-inflammatory properties by inhibiting cyclooxygenase enzymes, particularly COX-1 and COX-2, which are crucial in the synthesis of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins. These prostaglandins are responsible for inflammation, pain, and swelling at injury or infection sites. By hindering the conversion of arachidonic acid into prostaglandin H2, eugenol effectively reduces the production of these inflammatory compounds, alleviating associated symptoms. This mechanism has been substantiated by research, including studies in the Journal of Immunotoxicology, highlighting eugenol's potential in managing and preventing chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, eugenol's anti-inflammatory effects are enhanced by synergistic interactions with other compounds in cloves, such as flavonoids. While eugenol is generally safe in the small quantities present in cloves, caution is advised when using concentrated forms like clove oil, considering potential side effects and appropriate dosages. 3. Help your bones. Clove water is rich in compounds that stimulate osteoblast activity, cells responsible for bone formation, and inhibit osteoclast cells that break down bone tissue. This helps in maintaining bone density and preventing bone loss. Scientifically expand on this. Cloves, rich in beneficial compounds like eugenol, play a crucial role in bone health. They work in 2 main ways. Firstly, by stimulating osteoblasts, the cells responsible for building new bone, which leads to stronger and healthier bones. Secondly, they inhibit osteoclasts, the cells that break down bone tissue, thereby preventing excessive bone loss. This dual action helps maintain a healthy balance in bone remodeling, the ongoing process where old bone is replaced by new bone. This balance is essential for keeping bones dense and strong, potentially aiding in the prevention of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by fragile bones. The effectiveness of cloves in bone health is rooted in their ability to modulate complex cellular processes that govern bone formation and resorption. Incorporating cloves into a diet, along with other bone healthy practices like adequate calcium and vitamin D intake and regular exercise, can contribute significantly to maintaining good bone health. 4. Skin health. Cloves, endowed with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, offer significant benefits for skin health. Their antimicrobial action, primarily due to eugenol, combats various skin infections, including those caused by bacteria and fungi, making them effective in treating conditions like acne. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves reduce skin inflammation, alleviating redness, swelling, and irritation associated with skin disorders such as eczema and psoriasis. Additionally, the rich antioxidant content in cloves guards the skin against oxidative stress, a key factor in skin aging and damage. These antioxidants not only protect but also aid in the repair and regeneration of skin cells, contributing to healthier, more resilient skin. Scientific research supports these benefits, highlighting the potential of cloves in dermatological treatments and skincare products. However, when using cloves, particularly in concentrated forms like clove oil, it's important to consider the concentration and dilution to avoid skin irritation. In essence, cloves can be a valuable natural ingredient for maintaining and improving skin health, provided they are used safely and appropriately. 5. Improves erectile dysfunction. Cloves, particularly through their active compound eugenol, may offer potential benefits in managing erectile dysfunction due to several key mechanisms. Eugenol's vasodilatory properties can improve blood circulation, crucial for erectile function, as erections are facilitated by increased blood flow to the penile area. Additionally, the rich antioxidant content in cloves helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, which can impair vascular health and erectile function. The anti-inflammatory effects of clove water also contribute to improved vascular health by reducing chronic inflammation, a known factor in ED. While there is less direct evidence, traditional uses of cloves suggest they might enhance the libido and sexual health, possibly through effects on hormonal balance and stress reduction. Cloves also possess neuroprotective properties, which could indirectly support erectile function by maintaining nerve health. However, it's important to note that these potential benefits are based on the general pharmacological actions of clove components and require more specific research in the context of ED. Therefore, cloves should be considered as part of a holistic approach to health, addressing other factors like cardiovascular health, diet, and lifestyle in managing erectile dysfunction. And that, my friends, wraps up our deep dive into the wonderful world of clove water and its myriad benefits. We hope you found this journey both enlightening and inspiring. Before we say goodbye, let's quickly talk about the safe dosage of consuming cloves. While cloves are incredibly beneficial, moderation is key. Generally, using 1 to 2 cloves or about a teaspoon of clove powder mixed with water in your daily diet is considered safe for most people. However, as with any natural remedy, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Remember, the world of natural remedies is vast and full of wonders, and we're here to explore it with you, one episode at a time. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to In Nature's Remedies for more health tips and natural solutions. Your support means the world to us. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and embrace the power of nature.